Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I created these ring holders. The first thing that you will be needing is 2 empty boxes. I recently ordered some sheets for my bed. They came in these 2 boxes. If you don't have something that looks like this, you can easily use shoe boxes as well. And you also will be needing some of these foam. I bought it at Walmart and it is 1/2 inch. Right after that, I went ahead and took the lid of the box and I traced it on the actual foam, and I wanted to double it just to create that thickness. You do have to keep in mind the thickness of your box, and that all depends how much foam you will be using. Right after that, I am going to just cut it to size. These scissors right here are horrible. If you do notice that the box is white, is because I had something else in mind, but it didn't work, so I ended up using some wrapping paper to wrap the boxes. And let me tell you that I am horrible at wrapping things up. Okay, so here I tried my best. You might know how to do it better. It's just I really have a hard time wrapping things, so I will be using some hot glue, and yeah, I don't know, it turned out the way it did, but it did. Right after I was done with the torture of wrapping something, then I went ahead and got the lid of the box and used it as a backing to the box. That's just so I could create more width. And also I went ahead and trimmed the foam to size. I went ahead and used some of that hot glue to hold the foam together. And I try to use an X-Acto knife to cut or each of the lines here, so you can put in your rings, but it gave me I don't know, it was a crooked line, kind of choppy if you will. So this type of knife right here worked for me better. Please be very careful when you do this step. Make sure that if you're not an adult, make sure you get some help, because it is, you are working with a knife. Right after I have the lines that I want, then I went ahead and used some of the hot glue to put it in place. As the final step to decorate the box, I went ahead and included some of these diamond wrap from Dollar Tree, and that's just gonna give it that bling factor. And you have 2 options. You can either lay it flat on a desk, or you can also put your jewelry box holder on a stand, on a frame stand that looks like this. Well beautiful, that is it. If you have a jewelry box at your hometown, you know what it is to have these many rings. Anyhow, I hope that you like this video, and like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.